Hey guys, my name is Michael from Siesta Campers and this is the Siesta Beach. To open up the roof, you need to make sure that at least one door is open. To unlock, release the safety, press up on the red and pull down on the black. Using the handle, bring it down and you're good to go. Once you've unlocked the locks, you're going to push up and raise the bed for ample living space. To close the bed upstairs, you're going to bring the bed down. You need to make sure that at least one door is open. You're going to pull down halfway, holding the straps with one hand, using the other to bring it in on the sides. Make sure you bring all the canvas in before dropping it all the way down. To secure the roof, you're going to use the handle, pull down, make sure the T-screw goes inside this lever here, and you're going to clip it up. Make sure that you put the safety on as well. Some important things to know about the beach. It has a keyless start-stop, so make sure that the key is in the front area of the van. Then, to start the van, make sure the foot is on the brake, and you can just press the button right over here. Once the van is on, you can release the parking brake by pressing towards the front of the van. To activate the parking brake, you can pull towards you. You also have two USB charging ports over here, as well as a 12 volt. Both of these chairs rotate all the way around. Let me show you how. So, you're going to bring the chair forward all the way to the front. Then, just below, there's a lever. You're going to pull it in the direction that you want to rotate the chair. And you're going to do the same on the other side. When you're ready to prepare your meals, open up this cabinet. You can find your dishes down below, as well as your cutlery drawer. So, when you're ready to cook and to wash some dishes, open up the black panel, and to use the sink, lift the tap and turn it on. It is an automatic water pump, so as soon as you lift up the tap, you're good to go. When you're ready to cook, press down on the starter, press the gas down and give it a twist. You can also find your fridge at the back and turning the knob, and make sure it's halfway just so that your food doesn't freeze. You can find your display just next to the fridge right over here. If the van is on charge, a light will appear over here. Then to check the leisure battery, hold this button in and the lights will appear. Always make sure that you are above 12 volts. If it drops below 12 volts, you need to charge the van. Then your fresh water tank is over here. If it reaches all the way up, that means it's full. Try and keep the tank full at all times. Then your wastewater is over here. Currently, we don't have any wastewater in the van. That's why there's no light on. You can find your outdoor table attached to the trunk. You need to unzip this black bag and slide the table out. This is an interior table as well as an exterior table. Opening your outdoor and indoor table, fold the legs out and clip the wire into the block. And that's how you build your outdoor table. Then you can take a seat and relax. Let me show you how to use the table inside. To set up your interior table, pull out the leg with the T and attach it to the rail with these two silver points. When you're ready to take a shower, grab the shower head, lift this grey cap with a picture of a shower head, then attach the plug and make sure you put the water pump on. Then you can take a shower. When you're done with your shower, make sure that you turn the water pump off and remove the pipe. When you've run out of water, you can fill it up right at the back. So remove the blue cap and use a hose and put water all the way in. You can also check the level on the display inside. When you're done, make sure that you match the 3 pins inside and close. You can find your gas bottle at the back. Open up the first cabinet and it's right there. When driving, please make sure that you turn the gas bottle off by turning right. And to put it on, turn it left. To empty out the waste tank, open up this cabinet. Then you can use this little grey tool, match the square and open it. And the wastewater will come out behind the rear driver's seat. To close it, lift it up, remove the tool and put it back there. When it's time to charge your van, you can grab your cable from the back. Make sure you lift up the black flap and the blue circle needs to go into the black square. And you're going to push. And double check if the van is on charge. Then to remove the cable, you're going to press down on the blue lever. With the other hand, pull the cable out, roll it up and pack it in. Now it's time to make the bed downstairs. So you're going to take two hands, bringing the seat toward you. It's going to stop halfway. There is a safety belt in the middle of the seat, attaching the seat to the frame. You can release with the orange button and bring it forward. Then bring the seat all the way towards you. In the middle, you'll also see a long silver pipe. You're going to put one hand on the top of the seat and the other on the silver pipe. This will bring the seat forward and drop it down. And the bed is made. At the back of the van, while the bed is open, you can access the two USB charging ports. When it's time to close the bed, you can place both palms facing the back in between the seat and lift. Once you hear the click, that means the back chair is in place. You're going to lift the seat forward, holding this safety in your hand. Then, with your knees, slowly bring it forward and clip it into place. Then, before you drop the bench all the way down, make sure you lift the safety belts so that they are accessible when there's guests at the back. And there you have it. To make the bed upstairs, you're going to pull the bed down. Then you're going to place 1 foot on the seat and 1 foot on the shoulder and hop right up. And the bed is made. For a panoramic view, you can open up the zips. So, for campers who have children, rest assured, just underneath the mattress, you will find a net, which you can use to clip to the roof, like that. Like that. And your kids will be safe up here. And that's all from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you have a safe vacation and make memories that last a lifetime. Go wild and be free.